stretched his wings and flew away. He packed a snack, a fishy delight, and said, "Let's see the world, I'll be back by night." He waved to the gulls and the beach below. "Adventure is calling, I've got to go." All fly, 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 Steven's in the sky, over boats and castles way up high. Flap, 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 through the wind and spray, Steven the Seagull is saving the day. He spotted a crab who was stuck in the sand. Steven swooped down with a helping hand. He zoomed to a pirate ship, snatched a stolen treasure with a daring dip. From Jaywick shores to the cliffs of Kent, Steven flew fast on a mission he went. Oh, fly, 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 Steven's in the sky, with a bag full of treasure soaring by. Swoosh, 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 through the clouds so bold, Steven the Seagull, brave and gold. He faced a storm, he met a whale. He surfed on wind with his feathery tail. And when he saw Jaywick coming in sight, he flapped even faster home by night. Oh, fly, 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 Steven's back again, landing by the sand with a cheeky grin. Caw, 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 let the children cheer. Steven the Seagull's our hero this year.